Hello everyone, my name is Rustem. I'm the product owner for Report Builder here at Actonic. I'll show you today how to add Universal Report Gadget to Dashboard. So I already created a new clean dashboard and I'll seek now for Universal Report Gadget. Alright, we see it. Let's just click Add here and configure it as soon as it will be ready for configuration. Here it is. Let's select the project we want to report against. Let's select the chart we want to create. Let's say it will be a donut chart. And for instance, we want to report against the remaining estimates in our epics, shown to be said in days. Right? We save it. Oh, let's even close it right here so that we'll see how it will look like in the dashboard itself. Wait for the data to be uploaded. Here it is. Perfect gadget for a perfect report. That's it. Thank you.